In this video, I'm going to unbox Ray-Ban META AI. Make sure you subscribe before watching. In the next video, I'll be doing a full review and sharing my experience. My mate is finally here. Okay, let's unboxing. Everyone sees that it starts tearing from here. This is so easy to tear, you won't need a knife. Wow. Here's the receipt. And this is the packaging box of the headliner. Wow, I can't wait. Damn, how could this happen? This is the appearance of the whole packaging box. Let's do a quick spin around the box. I bought the standard headliner. There's low bridge fit for Asian, but it's currently unavailable. I'll check for damage later, cause this is just insane. And here's what the side of the box looks like. Okay, time for the unboxing. It's a tier tab, just like opening an iPhone box. Let me just flip this around so I can see it. Alright, time to tear this open. Let's just get this out of the way. Oh yeah. Here we go. Wow. You guys are gonna see this before I do. Oh yes. Come on. What it smells like? Well, no smell. And right here is the unique charging port. Then this should be the button you use to pair it with your phone. Then open it here. Hey, it's super easy to open. Easy to open up. It lights up green, so that means it has power. Take a look inside. Here's the Ray-Ban META logo. What is this? It's pull tab to disconnect charging. Kind of hard to get out of the case. This is the full view of the glasses. Take a look to see if there is any damage. Because the outside box is a little dented. Then take this cover off. Oh, the light is on. I hear the sound. Oh yeah, it feels great. Next, let's check out the details on the glasses. Okay, for more details here, you can see the logos on both arms. There's a logo on each side here. I bought this one as a normal sunglasses color, non-prescription. If these work out, I'll get them with my prescription. My previous Ray-Bans have always felt a bit too heavy on me. Then there's the light on the right side. Here. And you can see some of the specs right here on the side. You can see the arms are really wide here. I just tried them on and felt pretty heavy. And this should be voice activated and touch pad. Then there's a button here. Oh, that must be the shutter sound. Click and there will be a shutter sound. And that's how you take a photo. That's pretty much for the glasses themselves. Then let's take a look at the details of the box. Looks like there is still more inside. So these are some instructions. These are instructions in various languages. The paper of Get Started should be about setting. Oh, it's about the features of the glasses and the charging case. There are detailed instructions for each function. And then, I won't know until I scan the QR code. Looks like there are still some cards left in the box. Oh, it's their cleaning cloth. The texture of this is really soft. That's about it. I think that's everything out of the box. By the way, this does not have a charging cable attached, but you can use the iPhone Type-C charger directly. Alright, let's check out the glasses up close.